This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start at the Ps5 home screen. You should be signed in and your controller active. Use the D-pad or left stick to highlight the gear icon and press X. Once in settings, choose screen and video to reach display options. This step gets you straight to brightness-related controls, so make sure your TV is on and set to the correct HDMI input, otherwise you won't see the changes in real time. Now you'll find HDR and brightness settings. Start with HDR if your TV supports it, because HDR affects peak brightness and color. You can adjust the HDR brightness slider to tune highlights, move slowly and observe. For standard dynamic range, use the SDR brightness slider to balance blacks and midtones. Once done, test in a bright scene and a dark scene to confirm visibility. If HDR causes washed-out images, switch off HDR or tweak tone mapping to normalize contrast. Finish by applying your changes and immediately test them in a game or a movie so you can judge real-world effect. If the picture looks too dark or blown out, rerun the HDR calibration or reset display settings to defaults and try smaller adjustments. Make sure to check the HDMI cable and TV input mode and update Ps5 system software if needed. These fixes solve most stubborn display mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.